Hi, I'm Stephen and this is Lilly. We're from Author Ceramics. We're a small family business here in New Zealand that do everything ourselves. I'm a potter, designer, and Lilly does all the websites. She's the graphic designer and photographer.
So it's just the two of us.
Yeah, and Lily's been rebuilding our entire website. So we started off with just the basic Shopify theme, the good old Dawn theme, and we realized we needed to stand out, and there's nothing on Shopify that could really make us stand out beyond any template that was there. So we tested and tried lots of plugin apps that would help us or help Lilly be able to redesign and have control over the page. I think the thing with Shopify is you don't often feel like you have much control or creativity, creative control. And so being able to find EComposer has helped us to kind of take that to the next level. And the biggest thing has been the customer service, right?
Yes, so I had two issues today. One with posting, just like technical things like the blogs wouldn't update. And I don't know if I was doing it wrong or if it was a glitch. I actually have no idea. But I just got in touch with the customer service team and within minutes, both of the issues were fixed. So for me, because I'm a graphic designer, but I have no coding experience, I have no sort of technical know-how with website development, I can easily contact the customer service and they're just amazing and so helpful. So it's a great app to just take you from sort of like a family run business with just the two of us, doing it all ourselves to be able to be quite like a professional looking website.
Look pretty boss, we look pretty good.
Yeah.
Nike, we're coming after you.
So we rate this app and we 100% support it. Thank you, EComposer.
Woo!